biggest thing I learned from doing the defense work, which I'm sure you know as well, you get way more bees with honey than vinegar. And
Right.
so, even on the plaintiff side, my goal is to befriend that adjuster, help them understand, why I'm advocating for this client this way, try to take that case out of the box of a person with a neck injury or whatever it may be, and this is how much they should get. And I think that being nice and friendly to adjusters, leveling with them, having that prior experience of earning their trust is so invaluable. I'm sure that you do the same with state attorneys.
Same. I mean, that's just life, and anything that you do, like if you're just real and you're having honest conversations and you're like open and friendly with them, and especially if you know what you're doing and you know what you're saying, it makes it easier. Like you understand what their job is, right? It's like with prosecutors, I understand what their job is. I might not have done the job, but I know how I know how I would do the job. I would be aggressive on certain people too. Like I understand, you have to understand certain prosecutors, they're going to go hammer certain people. Certain adjusters are going to go hard on certain kind of injuries or not, I think that's it's in anything that you do, I think that's the most valuable thing. Just be cool. I tell people, be cool. Just be cool. It's not hard. Be cool. Don't be a dick. If you're a dick, it doesn't really get you that far.
Big lesson for young lawyers too, because coming out of law school, they're kind of training you, they're rah-rahing you
fight.
up.
Yeah.
You pass the bar, like I'm here to fight. I'm ready for the fight. I mean, it is adversarial. Your interests of your client are far different than the interests of the client on the other side. And so, if you are nice to people and they understand it takes that shield down, that adversarial shield that's natural in our business, and helps you get things done, which is why we're here.
Right, and two sides, both fighters, people that fight a lot, will start this way. Naturally, that's the progression. Is if you fought enough and you've been in enough wars, you know when it's necessary and when it's not.
Correct.
Right? Because war gets ugly, right? Like a fight gets ugly, litigation gets ugly, and it gets difficult. So there's no reason to go there unless it has to.
We've all had the I can't sleep case for sure.
Oh my God, I have those so many nights. Like I can't. How many times I was just saying I had a trial partner on here the other day on the podcast.
Yeah.
And he called me earlier on this week. What am I doing? I want to quit what I'm doing. I don't know what we're doing. I get these calls once a week by so many different kinds of lawyers. So.
It's a good thing, though. I've decided at least that it's a good thing when you have those sleepless nights, because the reality of those is it's because you care about your client, and it's because you want so badly to get that good result for them, and you know that you can. It's a good thing if you have a couple sleepless nights as an attorney. That means you still care.
You take it home with you. I mean, that's the thing about law. Like you said, it's interesting, it's stressful. But it's not something that you can really just turn off. That's what I try to explain this to my wife all the time. She doesn't like hearing that.